So your school is organizing. Your school is organizing a charity drive. A charity drive What is the meaning of the word charity? Anyone? Charity क्या होता है? Very common word, I think. Charity. Anyone? And please turn on your video, everyone. Only Goresh, I think, is sitting with his video on. Otherwise, all the videos are off. What is charity? Anyone can raise hand and tell me, because offline students don't know, I think. Okay, think about it. Check your dictionaries, then please raise your hand. Yes, Ipsa and Goresh, one by one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Charity
It is a collection of, ma'am, it is a collection of money.
Ma'am, charity means kindness towards people.
Exactly. So, Goresh, your answer was a little bit incomplete. No doubt that is the part, collection of money. But we collect money for doing one function also. So, that is not charity. Charity is the collection of money or collection of anything and then give it to the to people who need it. Okay. So, underprivileged, what is the meaning of underprivileged? The people who चिल्ड्रन अंडर प्रिविलेज कौन से होते हैं? who lack facilities, जिनको ना तो एजुकेशन मिलती है, ना ही उनके पास घर होता है, ना ही उनके पेरेंट्स होते हैं, मे बी ना ही उनकी फैमिली. So underprivileged children are the children who don't get basic facilities that we people get. So your school is organizing a charity drive. Charity होता है दान करना, kind of. So charity drive for the underprivileged children. Underprivileged children means who don't have basic facilities. So note on the question of Uday Foundation. This is name of the you can say company जो ऐसे बच्चों को संभालते हैं, ठीक है? It's kind of foundation. So Uday Foundation. So you might have seen orphanage home, अनाथ घर होते हैं, है ना? So these type of foundations, they take care of people. So Uday Foundation, maybe it is near your school. तो आपके स्कूल ने डिसाइड किया that we will send donation. हम बच्चों को क्या भेजेंगे जो वहां रहते हैं? We will send some different things. So write down, please. Write a notice. Write a notice inviting the students to participate in this drive. Drive is a kind of campaign. Campaign langoni, okay? In this drive. So your school is organizing a charity drive. Charity is to donation drive for the underprivileged, the children who don't have basic facilities like education, house, clothes, etc. So this is the name of the place where you have to send your things. So write a notice inviting the students to participate in this drive. And suppose you are head boy or head girl. Now, Bishop is happy that in imagination I just became the head boy. Okay. Savya.
I have a doubt.
Yes, ask beta.
मैम जो आपने ग्रुप में मैसेज भेजा है एक जो बुक रीडिंग कंपटीशन है मैम वो कंपल्सरी है सबके लिए?
No, beta, that is not compulsory. That is optional. But still, if you want to do, you can register yourself, and you have to tell me also. Okay, that is not compulsory.
ओके
So now everyone note down, and then we will make one box, and we will start our notice writing. First of all, write down the name of the school in capital letters. Write down the name of the school in capital letters. XYZ school or Swami Sandas public school, anything you can write. In the next line, write down the word notice, capital letters. Then you will leave one line and then you will write the date. Heading is, I think, simple. Charity drive in capital letters again. Leave a line. Now this is to inform all the students that school is organizing charity drive as per the following schedule. Then you will write date, time, venue. This is to inform, all the students are informed that, please write down. This is to inform all the students that the school is organizing a charity drive for the underprivileged children of Uday Foundation. The schedule is as follows. This is to inform all the students that, बाकी question से देखो बेटा, the school is organizing. Uday Foundation तक लिख दो सारा. From the question, write down the school is organizing till Uday Foundation. Uday Foundation जब लिख लोगे, suppose you have written till here, then you will write the schedule is as follows. The schedule is given below. Your schedule is, okay, given below like this. This is to inform all the students that the school is organizing a charity drive for underprivileged students, children of Uday Foundation. The schedule is given below. Then you will make a little box here. You will write date. So today is 27. You can just write down after 3 days. Then time, at what time you have to give your donations. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Venue. Obviously, all the students will not go to Uday Foundation. You will just give your belongings और वो सारी इकट्ठी करके दे आएंगे बाद में. So आपका venue क्या है? Gymnastic hall, auditorium, कुछ भी. ठीक है? Stage पे बेटा donations I don't think so. आपको उनको सामान देना, उन्होंने रखना है. They will not put it on stage. Choose one huge space, एक बड़ी सी space चुनो. आपके स्कूल में कौन सा हॉल है? Otherwise you can write auditorium. Again you will leave a line here. Now again start something. I'll tell you. The willing students are requested to donate. The willing students are requested to donate. Which kind of things they can donate? Please tell me. Willing students are requested to donate underprivileged.
Ma'am, shoes, clothes,
Okay.
Ma'am, shoes, clothes, money.
food,
Okay.
packed food, ma'am, packed food.
Yes, Raghav. Okay, food में yes आ सकता है, but और चीजें बेटा जो durable हो. Okay, clothes. So willing students are requested to donate their old clothes.
Ma'am, some money.
Okay, money also, okay, that's possible. Books, your old books, your bags, if you have extra bags. Toys also, because in these type of foundations, some little children are also there, जिनके parents नहीं होते, orphan होते हैं वो. Orphan क्या होता है? अनाथ. So toys also, ठीक है? So the willing students are requested to donate their old clothes, books, bags and toys. ठीक है? Then वही लिख दो आप जो लिखते हो बेटा. Give their name to their class teacher, latest by this or that. The last line. Interested students can give their names to their respective class teachers. Latest by, कल की डेट ही लिख दो, 28 August. For further information, contact the undersigned. So interested students, please don't write short form, can give names, their names to respective class teachers. Latest by 28 August.
Excuse me, ma'am.
For any other query or for further information, yes, beta, who's asking? Savya, yes, beta.
मैंने ये पूछना था, अगर फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन की जगह क्वेरीज लिख सकते हैं?
Yes, yes, you can write it. For more information, for further query, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है? For more information या for further query. Query is your doubt or question. For further query, please contact the undersigned. Please contact the undersigned. Then your name, first of all, leave a line, your signature. So Bishop is the head boy. So I'll just do signature of Bishop. Then your name, Bishop, in capital letters. Then your designation. Now close the box. So it can come for 5 marks or 6 marks. I think it's very easy. Just you can revise it again and again and you can get full marks in your notice writing. And remember, don't use I, we or you. I request you, no. Simply likhna aapne. Students are requested. There should be no I or you. So close the box now. This is the end of your notice. Event based. कोई भी event आ सकता है. Blood donation camp. Blood donation camp में क्या करोगे? Same things. वो box, little box तक same रहेगा. Then interested students can give their names to their class teachers. Latest by this or that. ठीक है? And maximum participation. All the students are requested to participate wholeheartedly. ठीक है? ऐसे की आप lines add कर सकते हो. What is your doubt if you have?
Ma'am, I raised hand for giving answer.
So any event based notice can come. ठीक है? You have to invite the students. Trip आ सकती है, trip to Rajasthan, trip to Taj Mahal, blood donation camp हो गया, और क्या था? Charity drive. ठीक है? These type of. So format is same, just you have to change the wording little bit. Jasveen, any doubt beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, कोई doubt नहीं है.
Raghav, now speak up. You were not audible, I think. No, again you are not audible, beta. Wear your headphones, please. Yes, Aditya.
मैम जो आपने फॉर फर्दर क्वेरी प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट द अंडरसाइंड लिखा है मैम ये भी लिख सकते हैं फॉर फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट द अंडरसाइंड
Yes.
इंफॉर्मेशन
Information, for more information, for further information कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड बिशप, जो लिटिल बॉक्स आपने बनाया है वेन्यू वाला, उसके ऊपर भी लाइन छोड़नी है, उसके बाद भी. ओके, जो छोटा वाला बॉक्स में. Otherwise, it's I think totally fine. Now this was the notice event based. Now if it will come. I think so. You will be able to get full marks in this. कुछ भी आ जाए, सारा same लिखना है. Just few lines will be changed. Now we'll revise one grammar topic from books only. You can just open your grammar books if you have. We'll revise the topic prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix from your grammar books. Or I will write just five sentences just to give you idea that which question what type of question can come. So question number 1 is add prefix. This is just example. Any word can come, but it will come from your grammar books only. It will not come from outside. So add prefix. I'm writing 5 words. You will add the prefix. Pre मतलब क्या होता है? पहले. So you have to add something here. Here. Prefix means in the beginning. Yes, please. First two online, offline, then online. Yes, Bishop first, Mitarthi second. Okay, impossible. Prefix means you have to add something in the beginning, then you can write the same word. Impossible. Mitarthi. Unpopular. Okay. Akshara.
Unable.
Unable or disable. And please write down, if in exam one option will be asked, please write down one only. कई बार आपका दूसरा गलत हो जाता है, then we have to deduct marks. वही लिखना जिस पे आप पूरी तरह से श्योर हो. Okay. Next, please, Devang. Then Ipsa, line wise.
Illogical.
Devang, spellings.
I-L.
Okay.
I-double-L-I-C-A-L.
Okay. Illogical. Illogical. Okay. Next is Ipsa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, unlucky.
Unlucky. Yes. So this is just example.
Can you please tell me how at which page it is? Please.
Devang, repeat your question, beta. Your voice is not properly audible. Speak up again. Unmute. Yes.
And prefix are on which page?
Prefix and suffix, beta. This is chapter number 25, word formation, 186 page. 186 say 189. Okay. Okay. So you can just note page number 186 to 189. Revise it in exam also. ठीक है, आपको revise करना. Otherwise, I think they have been taken from daily life. आप ऐसे words already use करते हो, तो maybe आपको पहले से आते होंगे. Now the next question. Add suffix. Suffix होता है that is added at the end. Prefix in the beginning, suffix at the end. Add suffix. Maybe wording. I just gave it from my side. Okay. Again, first two offline, then next online. Avneet, add something at the end, beta. Dance. Add something at the end. Loudly. Dancing. Okay, it is possible. Any other option, Rajaran? Mitarthi? Okay. Dancer, dancing, all are correct. Next, second one, anyone can raise hand offline. नहीं अलग अलग वर्ड नहीं उसके साथ ही आएगा. Praying, prayer, yes. Prayer. Praying, okay. Next is Savya, Gaurish, Shubh. One by one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, clear का clearness.
Clarity.
Ma'am,
Clearness
growth.
is good.
Growth.
Okay. So Savya, you can write clear.
And ma'am, free का freedom.
Freedom. Grow up अलग अलग word है बेटा. The spelling should remain same. उसमें pause gap नहीं आना चाहिए, ठीक है? Grow up हो गया, pray God, no, they are the different words. Okay, this is the question. Add second question, add suffix. It can come in sentence form also. So same, but अगर आपको prefix suffix आते हैं तो आप sentences भी easily कर लोगे. How much time we have? 5 minutes. Okay, then I can give you some sentences. Third question. Question number 3. It is given on page number 189. And yes, 189 only. वहीं पे blanks दी हुई. First blank there is the opposition. Opposition is the party, political party. The opposition always tries to dash the system. और bracket में है weak. You have to add suffix. You can raise your hand if you know. Maybe ये solved होगा आपकी book में. Karthik, Jasmeet, one by one. Karthik first, then Jasmeet second.
मैम आपने सेंटेंस थोड़ा डिफरेंट वे में नहीं लिखा?
Yes, बेटा वहाँ पे always था तो there is grammatical error in the book.
ओके मैम.
So what will be the answer, Karthik? Where are you, Karthik?
Yes ma'am.
First
Ma'am, actually I am thinking.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
I think this is
Yes, ma'am. Weakness.
opposition always tries to weakness the sequence. No, it is not like it is not like Jasmeet,
Ma'am,
weaken. Okay. Did I send you the answer key of this thing in PT1? Anyone please tell me? Yes, Savya? Gaurish?
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, I think you have sent.
थे.
What
Yes
answer
ma'am,
you
you have
अपने
sent
क्लास
this
में डिस्कस
exercise.
कराए थे.
Okay, what answer we wrote beta in PT1?
Ma'am, weaken is
Weaken.
the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is use the correct amount of cement to dash the construction. I think ये matchups हैं. Make the verbs from the words given in the box by adding suitable. Okay. Use the correct amount of cement. Amount of cement to dash the construction. What is the answer? The word is okay. Shubh, Ipsa, tell me the answers.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's strengthened.
To strengthen the construction. Okay. Use the correct amount of cement. Strengthen क्या होता है? मजबूत बनाना ना. Strengthen. Again, add en with the word strength. So this was the example how the prefix and suffix can come. But one thing is sure that it will come from the book only. And एक बार इसको read कर लेना बस बेटा जो green box दिए हुए हैं आपकी book में. Just read it, don't learn it, ताकि आपको idea हो जाए. So I think we have 1 or 2 minutes left. We can do the last one. अब offline बताएंगे, ठीक है? Did someone try to dash the chief? In the bracket, you have 1 second. I don't think so. Offline, you know the answer. Still try. Exactly, Avneet. Well done. Assassinate. Assassinate क्या होता है anyway? Anyone? Online also, what is assassinate? I'm going to unmute you. Please tell me.
मैम मारना
Ma'am, to catch.
मैम टू किल समवन
Yes. To kill.
Yes, ma'am, kill.
So Vishav gave the answer, then all the students. So well done, Vishav. Avneet also. Avneet just spoke the answer at once. So I was not expecting this thing. So okay. Did someone try to assassinate the chief? So these type of question can come. Now, if you have doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, this is the end of the lecture from my side. Devang.